Hi everyone, I'm going to go over pixel art. Some of you weren't at the Google Meet and some of you are still struggling with the assignment. So I'm going to go over that for you. Here's an example of pixel art made by someone today from our class. It looks really awesome. They took a lot of time to put in a lot of detail and it looks fantastic. I'm looking for art with a lot of effort. So please make sure that yours doesn't end up looking like mine. Do you see mine? See how there's like just a little bit of stuff on there? You want to make sure that it looks like this or something similar to that where there's a lot of detail. So let me show you how you get to that. First, you go to Google Classroom under classwork where the apple is for the week of 8/12 to 8/14. You find the assignment, you click on the assignment, you click on the Google Sheets, it opens up. Okay, I'm going to click back on my funny one so that I don't mess up the one that I sent you guys. But if you follow this code here, that's the colors that you're going to get. So wherever you want color, you click on the box. Let's say I want brown. In the box, I need to make sure it's blue around it. I'm going to type an 8 and then enter. And then I have brown. Maybe I want to do brown again. 8 and enter. Maybe I want to do a lot of brown. I can click on it and then I can drag it across and make more brown if I want to. If I change my mind and I don't like it, I can go and do backspace and delete it. Now, all of these colors are based off of these numbers 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. But also there's a 0. So let me show you what 0 looks like. So I click in there, 0, enter. It turns kind of grayish. During the Google Meet, I said that if you click on Format and Conditional Formatting, it gives you more colors to choose from that you can add on there. And the numbers that you would use would be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 0, but also multiples of 11. So for example, it would be 11, 22, 33, 44, 55, 66, like that. And then you could even do 444. So let me show you what 222 looks like. 222, and then I click on the button that says enter, and then it's this really cool turquoise color, and maybe I want like a giant box of it. Oh wait, there you go. Let me go this way. And then maybe on top I'm like, oh, right in the middle I want to make a purple color, and that's 444 and enter, and then it changes it. So this is how you're going to go in and design something. If you don't like it, remember, you can click on it and backspace and it'll delete it. So if you want to make it white, you can also go in the box that you want white and backspace it and it will be white. So if you have any questions, you can message me on Google Classroom. Good luck, and when you're finished, you're going to click on turn it in. So make sure you have turn it in, and then I'm going to keep it, and I won't return it to you until I'm done making a Google slide. But if there's comments on it, feel free to read it and then respond back. See you later.